Class 4 English grammar. Okay, now you have essay and composition and comprehension. So see, open page number 88. See, open your grammar book, page number 88. Now see, what is this? The Republic Day. This is what? This is a comprehension, a small paragraph. Composition. Okay, it is a composition writing and comprehension. This is both. This is you can write composition like essay with Republic Day from this topic, and this is like a small story also, comprehension. So the heading is what? The Republic Day. India became a republic on January 26, 1950. The constitution of the country came into force on this day. The power of government passed into the hands of the common people. All caste, creed, and religion are to be equal in the eyes of the law. Every year, this day is celebrated all over the country with great enthusiasm, means energy. The national flag is unfurled, that is hoisted at all the public buildings. A big function is held in Delhi. The president presides over this function. That means the president gives speeches on this function. It is worth seeing. It is valuable. Okay, seeing this. The day is a national holiday for everyone. It is a holiday for everyone. Okay, now see. So when India became republic on 26 January, the constitution came into force on this day. Now the powers of the government came in the hands of common people. All the people, whether rich, poor, different religion, Hindu, Muslim, all should be equals in the eyes of law. Everyone is equal. Everyone celebrate this day all over the country with great energy. Now, a big function is held at Delhi and the president gives speeches on this function and everyone has a holiday on this day. Now this is the paragraph, and this one you will do by yourself. Choose the correct answers. Read this and write the answers over here. A big function is held in, write the right answer. Republic Day is celebrated on, write the right answer here. This also you will do. You will mark the answers here. You will mark the answers here. You will do this in your book. What happens on January 26, 1950? What happened on January 26, 1950? See, India became republic on January 26, 1950. This is number 1 answer. This you will mark over here. Number 1. Okay. Then number 2. When did the Constitution of India came into force? The Constitution of India, the country, came into force on 26 January. On this day you will write here 26 January. This is number 2. Like this you will do the rest. 3, 4, 5 you will do it. You will read the questions and do by yourself. Who are to be equals in the eyes of the laws? How is the Republic Day celebrated? Who presides over the function in Delhi on the Republic Day? This you will do by yourself. You will do this in the book. Okay? Clear? So write the date today. 25/4. You will do this by yourself. Okay? For today this much. Thank you.